How is everything going on? This is your guy CH, and today I am going to unbox Apple recent MacBook, which is MacBook Air M2. Actually, I was a bit confused about the colors. We have regular silver and space gray and the newly launched midnight blue or black and the amazing starlight color. At first, I was really attracted to the midnight version, but the fingerprint smudges, lol, that's a real deal breaker for me. Well, I think you guessed it right. Yeah, I did choose the starlight color. After 14 years, 3 revisions and 2 different processors, architectures, the iconic weight shape of the MacBook Air is now history. It's past. In its place is a MacBook Air with a completely new design that's the same thickness from the front to back. Virtually every aspect of the new MacBook Air has been updated or changed. It is the biggest update to the year since it originally debuted nearly a decade and a half ago. It shares its design from the senior versions of the MacBook, which is MacBook Pro 14 and 16, which was launched last year. It's symmetrical and square off with a more brutalist presentation than prior MacBook Air models. And in all, I'm a fan of this new design. It's modern and refreshing and functionally works very well. Some might miss the waist shape, but I'm not one of them. This Air is a beautiful computer and I think its design will work very well for the next 5 or possibly more years, so until Apple updates it again. So enjoy the unboxing video with the background music. If you like it, please subscribe and share. Thank you.